Hello everyone, welcome to the Holistic Wellness channel. This is a follow along practice. Today we shall see practices for low back pain. This is the first part of the 3-part series, mobility. So we come to a lying on the back, knees are bent, arms are clasped, and then we hug the knee breathing in. Breathing out, feet back to the mat. Breathe in and out. 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 And relax. Now let us start the second practice, which is rotation and counterclockwise rotation of the knee. In all these practices of mobility, the back is kept comfortable and supported, and we move it. So we basically breathe in and rotate the hip, breathe out at the center, breathe in counterclockwise rotate, breathe out at the center. Very good. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out at the center. Breathing in and out. In and out. Breathing in and out. In and out. Breathing in and out. In and out. And relax. Now let us see the third practice, which is called the seed roll. It is a very powerful practice on the lower back, where we clasp our fingers, lift up the knee, and give it a hug. As we breathe in, we come to one side where the earlobe touches the mat. Breathe out at the center. When we breathe in, we turn and roll to the other side where the other ear and the arms touch the mat. Try as much as possible with the hugging and turning out at the center. Breathing in to one side, breathe out at the center, breathe in to the other side, breathe out at the center. In to one side, out to center, in to other side, out to center. In to one side, out to center, in to other side, out to center. In to one side, out to center, in to other side, out to center. And relax. Getting ready for the fourth practice, called the tabletop. It is very important to maintain a good tabletop position to have a good practice. A line from the wrist to the wrist, it should be a straight line. A line drawn from the wrist to the knee should be a straight line, and so also between the knees. The back should be straight, and then the toes should be relaxed and not in toe holding active position. Practice of the cow and the cat. Watching the ceiling and breathing in. Watching the belly and breathing out. Round 2. In and out. In and out. One more time, breathing in and out. This helps mobilize the spinal cord. Last round, breathe in and out. And relax. Practice is again on the tabletop, where we breathe in and watch the side of the leg. Breathe out at the center. We breathe in to watch the other side of the feet. Breathe out at the center. Let's go round 2. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathing in and breathing out. Round 3. Breathe in. Breathe out center. Breathe in to the other side. Breathe out center. 4. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and breathing out center. One more last time. Breathe in. Breathe out center. Breathing in. Breathing out at the center and relax. The next practice is called the child pose on the wide leg, where we have the knees wide, the feet is placed over the feet, and the buttocks is well rested on the feet. And then the forehead comes to the mat. It is very important to have the buttocks on the feet and the forehead to the mat. If the forehead doesn't reach to the mat and you are having to raise the buttocks, in which case you can use a block for the forehead. Let's go. As we go forward and down, we breathe in, raising the arms up, go to the mat, forehead on the mat. Breathe out and coming back to wide leg Vajrasana. If this is very difficult to reach the forehead to the mat, you can also use a block to give the height and increase for the forehead. Breathe in, going down with the forehead. Breathe out to coming back to sitting position. Let's go. Round 3. Breathe in, expanding the shoulders, expanding the back as you go down. Breathe out to sitting. Next practice, breathe in, going down. Breathe out, coming back to sitting. Let's go one more time. Breathe in and breathe out and relax. The next practice is a combination between the child pose and the tabletop. We breathe in on the child and breathe out, switching and moving to tabletop, releasing the legs. Let's go. Round 2. Breathe in. Breathe out on the tabletop. It is a mini flow where we practice 2 poses into one. We breathe in on one pose and we breathe out on the other pose. A beautiful practice of mobility. Let's breathe in and breathe out on the tabletop. One more time. And relax. The final practice is called the Viper blade. We lie down on the back with the lower back rested. The knee is bent and kept wide. Both the knees go to the same side of the mat, trying to touch the mat. We breathe out at the center. Breathe in as the knees try and go and touch the mat. Breathe out center. Alternating the side, this time breathing in and out at the center. Let's go. Round 3. Round 4. Five. And relax. And this completes the practice of mobility for low back pain. See you in the next video where we will share practices of stretching part 2. Hope you find this video beneficial. If so, consider subscribing. Thank you. See you soon.